Hi, welcome to Martin Hacks. Today I'm going to ask you one really disturbing question. When can we expect androids looking like us in the stores? This is a very disturbing question because when we can get an android looking like you and me, doing similar tasks that we do, that may have the power to change the society, and it will create even more ethical questions. However, I would like to go more into the practical terms and when actually can we expect that to happen. These predictions and many more are part of my book, The Future is Waiting. So plenty of very nice predictions like this one. If you are interested, please check it out. In 2006, we had one of the very first human-like androids. That was Asimo. Okay, the Asimo robot was a small, tiny Japanese robot that was quite cute and could move and interact with humans. Maybe you can go on YouTube and see some of the videos of Asimo. Asimo was quite of an expensive robot. It was first like an R&D type of project, and the cost was very high. They estimated around $1.3 million to develop Asimo. Of course, we cannot just spend so much money to have a small, cute Japanese robot working for us. Things have been changing quite fast in the last decade. Lately, we have artificial intelligence systems that are quite cheap. Let's say systems like Siri or Alexa. These are sort of simple AIs. We also have all the type of robots like RPA type of robotics and so on. They can do a small task for us, small intellectual task for us. So these are quite cheap robots, but they are not really like androids that can interact with you or create emotions and that they can make you feel towards them. We also can access today some like industrial type of robots that can perform very specific tasks. These type of robots, they have different costs, but they go from, let's say, some $1,000 to $40,000-$50,000. So some of them, they are around this price. I don't know if you have seen also the latest military robots. The latest military robots, they actually are able to run, escape, jump over obstacles. They are quite advanced, even I would say creepy. Those robots are actually on that range of sort of several thousand, hundreds of dollars. The interesting thing is like all of these things, if you put all of those things together, it may resemble pretty much like a human. And lately we have had robots like Sophia from Hanson Robotics or Erica made in Japan. So Sophia and Erica, they are quite human-like type of robots. The cost of Sophia will be around like $500,000, $400,000, something like that. What is interesting is that we see a development on the price, but also in the terms of capabilities. If we draw a curve which is based on a logarithmic scale, we can see that the price will continue going down, features will continue to be added, but the different components that make the big robots will become more standardized. Therefore, I predict that the curve will not only continue, but it may even go faster. There may be other problems to develop large-scale robots like this, but I predict that by around 2030, we will expect to see robots looking like us and being available in the store. I see the industry right now being like the computers in the 70s. There is a lot of handmade, customized type of robots, but there will be someone taking a little bit of more of a industrial scale approach that they will create a minimum viable product, maybe working for elderly or for other maybe simple type of task, and that will be a first like mass scale success. Let's think it will be sort of like the first iPhone. When we get that, and that may be in something in like 5 or 7 years, then we will see that really fast adoption. So I hope this was very interesting for you, and it also allows you to think about where can I start my startup. I think that the robot industry will be similar to the car industry in the 20th century. It will create a lot of jobs, and it will be a lot about maintenance, it will be a lot of adjacent type of services and jobs. It will, to make it even closer to us, it will be like the cell phones and the iPhones, right? There are a lot of services around. There will be a lot of customization, a lot of different changes to make the robots look like different people or even perform different types of jobs. So I think this will be one of the biggest industries on the 21st century, and I hope you either create your startup around that or you at least know when you can expect it. Hope it was interesting for you. If you are more keen into predictions like that, please subscribe or buy the book, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much.